So this is the blue slip, and for scale I've dropped in Mitsubishi Outlander from a different model. So you can see that the scale of the whole thing is really quite large. Apologies for the broken point cloud in this area. That was a function of insufficient photography taken by the chap on site, but that's okay. It was never intended for modelling, but we've managed to get a 3D model out of it nonetheless. This slope is careering off down a hill at about 37 degrees. There's a whole bunch of schistosity. This block here is about 15 metres by 8 metres by 3 metres for scale. Yep, fairly hefty piece of debris, already well displaced, well on its way down the hill potentially, and when it goes, this one here, which is cantilevering out dramatically already, is almost certainly going to lose the last vestiges of support that it already has. So we're concerned about drilling through this. We think drilling on what could be a mattress of rock that's waiting to go down the hill is probably not a great idea. So we're thinking about potentially going in the back with some hydraulic jacks and just very gently starting it off on its way. I guess there's a concern that it may hang up on this corner here. These are already previous slabs of material that have slipped and fallen and come to rest in this corner. But this is certainly a very, very large piece of rock. It's probably going to come down reasonably intact if we give it a push with an acro. The road is not far out of picture down here, probably 20 or 30 metres down the hill, but it's certainly going to have some significant clear-up operations before we can confirm the road's open after this.